As a global economic integration has brought China unprecedented opportunities for development, Shenzhen, China's important processing base for export trade and development center of high-tech industry, is providing power transmission for the development of the world and has created a miracle in China's processing history. Hefeng Machines Limited, a professional embroidery machine manufacturer, is a productive enterprise with strong technical strength, which has its own production equipment, factories, and professional technology research team. It is incorporated with research and development, design, production, as well as a sales and after-sales service. The company has established a sound quality management system and has got award of ISO 901 certificate. With scientific management and the integrity of after-sales service, it is steadily exploring and expanding the market inland and abroad. Upholding the concept of exploration, innovation, and continued creation of value, Hefeng Machines Limited, from all the essentials and with elaborate design, adopting the modern material embroidery machine technology and sophisticated parts, develops a new generation of computer embroidery machine, which has high efficiency and stable performance. The products are widely used in clothing manufacture, uniforms, bedding, shoes, hats, sports goods, toy industry, and so on. The company's current main products: HF 901, applicable to supermarkets and individualized service. HF 906, applicable to computer build center or embroidery sample making and small production in factories. HF 912, applicable to leather, handbags, shoes, hats, and mass garment processing. HF 916, mass clothing and various fabrics embroidery processing. HF 920, widely used for various embroidery processing. HF 340, lace exclusive model, high efficiency, high yield capacity. HF 1216, the best choice for children's brownwear. HF 920, double sequin. Sequin devices, which can be attached onto different types of machines, size 3 to 9 mm. The company also can produce embroidery machine of various specifications according to customers' requirements. Quality products rooted in the combination of quality materials and advanced technology. Hefeng embroidery machine adopts the most advanced high-quality materials and configuration, including head linear rail, original imported hook set, S8M600, original German continental timing belt, S5M 35mm drive belt, S5M 50mm drive belt, main driving system NSK bearing, advanced frame structure, quality machine structure, Dahao electric control system. Hefeng invests a tremendous amount of manpower and resources in design, R&D, and innovation. The company is constantly updating to surpass itself. It is a key move for seeking continuous development and a reliable guarantee for fulfilling the strategic goal of Hefeng to integrate technological superiority, to strengthen research and development management, as well as to construct an R&D system where R&D of technology and products development interact with each other. Technical staff is a valuable asset of Hefeng. Our R&D staff have a good command of professional knowledge on industrial design and quite strong creativity. Through remitting accumulation and innovation, Hefeng has acquired the ability to offer customers comprehensive solutions for special thick material embroidery, special thin material embroidery, large embroidery design, connecting, and noise reduction. The main fields in research and development and with core technology accumulation at present: noise reduction, warm link sleeve improvement, developing thread trimmer independently, handy and concise framing system. Add 2 extra checking units onto color changing potentiometer so as to improve the stability and accuracy of color changing. Technical superiority is our core competitiveness. we surely will make more efforts to forge ahead, guided by the market, to take both product development and technology R&D and innovation into account, to perfect the research management system, to constantly improve our overall strengths, and therefore make our company always stand in an invincible situation during the intense market competition inland and abroad. Upholding the idea of making the best embroidery machine of China, Hefeng is making great efforts to build high-quality brand of Hefeng. We strictly practice the modern enterprise management system and the comprehensive quality management system. From assembly to testing, all working areas and working procedures are operated in accordance with ISO requirements to ensure that final products are of 100% pass rate. Quality products root in the combination of quality materials and technology. So we guarantee the quality of materials, which ensures products' coherence at source. Introduction of assembly working procedures. Assembly of small pieces. Rotary hook set. Machine head accessories assembly. XY drive assembly. Needle bar case assembly. And Y connecting. Thread tension base. Thread stands. Table cutting. Pantograph assembly. Whole machine assembly. Painting. Remove rust. Spray anti-rust paint. Spray polyester putty. Spray primary paint. And spray Toyota white grain milled finish paint. Installation of the upper and lower heads. Leveling hook boxes. Installing head accessories. Adjusting the head case parallel by 5 degrees with a meter. Shaft installation. Installation of take-up lever A. Installation of AB gears, upper and lower synchronous wheel, connecting axis, installation of main motors, adjustment of angle, installation of driving system, needle bar case, electronic control cabinet, leveling drive units, install motors, adjust synchronization, install needle bar case units, adjust lower dead center and take up lever B, install color change box, adjust hook set, fix electric control cabinet, wire connection between operation head and all components, adjust trimming system, adjust moving and fixed knives, install thread cutting box, adjust thread picking knife, install thread picking motor, install tables, stainless steel covers. Testing machine, thread inlet, adjustment. Test the machine by running certain designs so as to check whether all the parts and components of the machine are well installed, as well as to see the embroidery quality effect. Test the purpose of designs. Test the single thread binding and position shift. Test thread break and yarn fuzzing. Test needle break. Test thread cutting and thread dropping. Test if the connection of design is in uniform. Test evenness between back and front of frame. Test the flatness and smoothness of tatami and if any place is missing stitches. Test the flexion of frame. Test the distance between heads. Test if the thickness of design is uniform in the front and back parts of the frame. Test the mechanic locks. Test color overlay and if needle one and line are overlaid. Test if single thread is overlaid. Rework. Problems found in testing running will be recorded and reported, and machine will be reworked to solve the problems. Final inspection for the finished machine. Strict final inspection for the finished machine will be done before each delivery from factory. Packaging. Delivery.